Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 24, OV 100. बाबा बालब्रह्मचारी ऊर्ध्वरेते शुद्धाचारी करू देत सेवा करी नर-नारी समजता. Baba was a brahmachari since childhood. His thoughts and behavior were clean and pure as he lived a life of perpetual continence. Therefore, he allowed all men and women to serve him. अण्णा बाहेर ओणवे राहती हळूहळू वामहस्त दाबिती तो उजवे बाजूची परिस्थिती स्वस्थचित्ती ऐकावी. Anna was standing outside the railing and pressing Baba's left arm gently by leaning forward. Listen now with a quiet mind to what was happening on the right side. तिकडे होती एक बाई अनन्य भक्त बाबांचे पायी बाबाजीस म्हणत आई मावशीबाई जनलोक. There was a lady there who had singular devotion for Baba. Baba called her mother, while others called her Maushibai, aunt. मावशीबाई म्हणत सर्व वेणुबाई मूळ नाव कौजलगी हे आडनाव अनुपम भाव साईपदी. Everyone called her Maushibai. Her real name was Venubai and her surname was Kausalgi. Her devotion to Baba was incomparable. अण्णांची उलटली पन्नाशी तोंडात नव्हती बत्तीशी पोक्त वयस्कर ही ती मावशी तंटा उभयाशी उद्भवला. Anna had crossed 50 and did not have his full set of teeth. This Maushibai was mature and aged. A quarrel arose between the two. अण्णा सहकुटुंब करीत सेवा आई होती विगतध्वा दाबिता बाबांचे पोट कुसवा नावरे निश्वास तियेस. Anna and his wife both served Baba. Mother was a widow. While she was massaging Baba's stomach and sides, she was breathless. श्री साई सेवेसी सबळ मावशीबाई मनाची निर्मळ उभय हस्ती घालुनी पिळ मांडिली मळणी पोटाची. Maushibai was pure-hearted and vigorous in her service of Shri Sai. She clasped the fingers of both her hands and was kneading Baba's abdomen. पाठी मागून निर्णावेरी धरुनी बाबास दोही करी दाब दाबोनी घुसळण करी जैसी डेरी ताकाची. Holding Baba with both the hands from the back to the front of the stomach where one ties the dhotar, she pressed and pulled and pushed him about as if she was churning buttermilk. साई नामी लावुनी लय मावशीबाई दाबी निर्भय बाबा ही न करीत हाय हुय वाटे निरामय जणू तया. Engrossed in chanting Sai's name, Maushibai fearlessly massaged. Baba did not utter a word, and he seemed tranquil and relaxed. दाबण्याची विलक्षण परी पोटपाठ सपाट करी प्रेमची ते परी ते अवसरी दया अंतरी उपजवी. Her method of massaging was extraordinary. She would flatten the stomach till it met the back, but her love aroused compassion within Baba. साईचे हे निष्कपट प्रेम देवनी घेती सेवा अनुत्तम ती निजस्मरण अविश्रम घडो हो क्षेम भक्तास. This pure love of Sai resulted in the best mutual service as he looked after the welfare of the devotees who continuously remembered him.